Hey, have you ever taken a beautiful photo and decided to post it, but then just stare blankly at the caption box? Yeah, me too. Let me show you how to use PosterMyWall's AI Captions to turn that meh caption into something that pops. So you have your image or post, head to publish, and select all channels. PosterMyWall's AI Caption will automatically generate a caption for you based on your design. Pretty cool, right? If you like what it comes up with, you're good to go. But if you'd like to tweak it, feel free to edit and make it just right. Or click AI Captions and write your own prompt. Let me show you how that works. First, try a prompt like caption for a beach photo. AI Captions has several choices for you, but none of them are quite what you had in mind. When that happens, you need to change your input. Here are my ingredients for a really good prompt. A tone. Do you want it to be funny, inspiring, encouraging? Length. Just a few words, a medium sentence, more. Mood or vibe. Morning, sunset, cozy, urgent. And extras. Emojis, hashtags, maybe a question to invite replies. Let's plug it in and see what we get. I apply my formula, tone, length, mood, and extras. Inspirational caption for beach sunset photo with relaxing vibes. Empowering, long. Here are your caption suggestions. See the difference? You can ask for more ideas. If you're still not happy, change the input again. You'll see the words shift. Lighter mood, length perfect. Click on a suggested caption to drop into your post text box. You can still edit manually. Tweak words, emojis, you have full control. Quick heads up on common traps. Being too vague. AI won't know what you want. Asking for conflicting things. Short but detailed. Funny but serious. AI gets confused too. Not listening to your own voice. Don't chase viral. Be authentic. Forgetting to edit. Even a great option might need some tweaking to feel like you. Okay, time to use this. Here's a little checklist that you can keep handy. Tone, length, mood, extras, focus. Pause here and write your own prompt for your next post today. I bet you it'll feel better already. Thanks for hanging out with me today and building prompts that really say something. Experiment, play around. And when you find something you really love, post it, share it, let me know. If you liked this, give it a thumbs up and share it with that one friend who always overthinks her captions. I'll see you next time. Happy captioning!